Did you know about the amazing benefits of eating olives every day? In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the remarkable world of olives and their impact on our health. These small yet mighty fruits are packed with numerous benefits, 7 of which we'll explore in this video. From heart health to anti-inflammatory properties, olives are a powerhouse of nutrition. So, if you're intrigued about how such a tiny fruit can make a big difference, stay tuned to discover the incredible impact olives can have on your health. If you start incorporating olives into your daily diet, here's what you can expect. First off, olives are a heart's best friend. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which help lower your bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. They also contain a compound called oleuropein, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which further protects your heart. Secondly, olives are a fantastic source of antioxidants. These little warriors battle against free radicals, the harmful molecules that cause oxidative stress in your body and contribute to chronic diseases. Eating olives can help you increase your antioxidant intake, boosting your body's defenses. Lastly, let's talk about your bones. Olives are rich in several nutrients that are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones, including vitamin K and calcium. Regular consumption of olives can contribute to enhanced bone health, potentially warding off conditions such as osteoporosis in the long run. But that's not all. Olives have more to offer. Let's move on to the next benefits. Continuing with the amazing benefits of olives, let's delve into the 4th and 5th advantages that make these tiny fruits a nutritional powerhouse. Benefit number 4 is all about weight management. Olives, particularly the black variety, are high in dietary fiber. This not only keeps you feeling full for longer, but it also aids in digestion, thereby supporting healthy weight management. Now let's roll on to benefit number 5. Have you ever heard of the term inflammation? It's your body's natural response to injuries or illnesses, but excessive inflammation can lead to chronic diseases. Here's where olives come in. They're packed with antioxidants, particularly oleuropein, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming olives regularly can help reduce inflammation in your body, keeping those pesky health problems at bay. Are you surprised by these benefits? Well, there's more. Let's uncover the final 2. Finally, the last 2 benefits of eating olives every day are just as incredible. Let's dive right into them. Number 6 on our list is the promotion of skin and hair health. Olives are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, which work wonders for your skin and hair. The antioxidants fight off free radicals that cause premature aging, while the healthy fats moisturize and nourish your skin and hair from within. Regularly eating olives can help you achieve that radiant glow and lustrous locks you've always wanted. Next up, number 7, is improved digestive health. Olives are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps your gut healthy. In addition, the monounsaturated fats in olives help to maintain the health of your digestive tract's lining, reducing the risk of gastritis and other stomach-related issues. But that's not all. With every olive you snack on, you're also benefiting from its vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that offer a plethora of other health advantages. From boosting your immune system to improving bone health, the list is endless. So let's quickly recap the 7 powerful benefits of eating olives every day. They promote heart health, boost your immune system, aid in weight management, improve bone health, enhance mental health, promote skin and hair health, and improve digestive health. So there you have it. 7 powerful reasons to start eating olives every day. Your health will thank you for it.